Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're here in beautiful Hollywood Hills and we're touring another great mansion. This home is listed for $18,750,000. It's 5 bedroom and 10 bath and it's just right under 10,000 square feet. Let's go take a tour. Come on. So it's super cold in LA today. I am freezing. Like it's really cold.
Yeah.
Wow, this house, as soon as you walk in, it's like bam, you're in LA. It's so beautiful. So this is the main living room. So you can walk in here and you get this beautiful view constantly. And then here is the dining room with beautiful light fixtures. You have constant views, it's just everywhere you look, you know? And in here we have a very open kitchen and you're gonna like cooking in this kitchen.
Oh yeah.
It's just, you know, like as you're doing the dishes, you're gonna have like views of beautiful Los Angeles.
Washing your dishes.
You're washing your dishes with views. And you know I love these like little nooks, you know. When sometimes a house is so large, it's nice to have like these little areas where you can totally chill. Here is the garage. And even the garage has views.
Oh. I like the tile.
Yeah, it's a really beautiful garage actually. And so again, you'll just peek in through here.
I've never seen a garage like this.
I know, right? Not bad. And I think you can fit about like 2-3 cars in here.
Yeah.
2 comfortably, 3 tight. Okay, so let me show you the outside. So out here you can have like a really nice breakfast, a really nice coffee. Over here is a beautiful sitting area. I mean, if you buy this house, I promise you, you're gonna have tons of fun with your car.
And then a swimming pool.
Yes, we have a beautiful swimming pool. Infinity pool going over. Clear shot of Los Angeles. Alright, you guys, right this way. It's another beautiful area. Powder room. See this beautiful area. Nice bamboo trees. Come inside, it's cold.
You know what the chairs look like?
What?
Cybertrucks.
Oh god. I know, why is everyone hating on those Cybertrucks? I think they're cool, no? They're like really inexpensive too. But I seriously felt for Elon Musk when he threw the guy through the rock. Oh my god, my heart just went out to him. I was like, you know, I mean, you would think that they practiced this a few times.
He did it twice though. Oh.
I know. Isn't that embarrassing? I was really embarrassed for him.
He took it pretty well though.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
And this is just a little area where you can have some nice art. And remember that swimming pool that we looked at? So you can see that swimming pool from here. So as like whoever, you know, like they're swimming, you're gonna definitely get to see that. I don't know, I just thought it was interesting. And again, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful views. All right, let's go. Here, you can shower, but currently you can just put like stack your wine in here.
Yep.
And another powder room. This house has 10 bathrooms.
10?
10. So if you have a group of friends coming, everyone will have their own bathroom. And of course, you want to be super fit if you live in LA, so you gotta work out. And this is a really interesting bathroom because there's 2 showers here. And it's really open, you know? And I don't know, like it's definitely a party house, you know? And here is the toilet room. So that's definitely going to be an interesting shower.
It's connected.
Yeah.
Wow.
Here's just more outdoor space. This area, that area. It's just more places to hang out and chill. This is a full bathroom. And if you go in through here, we have this bedroom. But it has a very interesting doors and windows. So it's all glass, it's all see-through. Okay, so we're gonna show you the upstairs, which is the bedrooms, the actual bedrooms. All right, guys, we're here in the last guest room. Every room is just so beautiful. Very well done, super modern. I love these huge showers. Look at this guy. This is a bad boy.
That is huge. Look at this one.
Okay, so this house has one of the most coolest master bedrooms. So I want to show you guys. It's pretty good. I am so exhausted, you guys. You don't even know, because we've been doing so many videos, like business has picked up a lot, and I literally worked 7 days straight, and I promised that we were gonna take Saturday and Sunday off, but I had a developer that wanted to meet with me. I had another client that wants to go look at more houses, and so like I had to work. And so today I'm on my 7th day of work, and then I've been working out 5 times a week, and I go 6:30 a.m. every morning. So I'm really burnt out, but we gotta keep doing these videos because, you know, you guys have been telling us how much you love them. But anyways, come in, master bedroom. And this is a really cool master, because you gotta check this out. Would you love to like brush your teeth here?
Oh.
This is pretty freaking
That doesn't
neat.
look like a bathroom.
Yeah, this is really cool. You guys wanna see the water?
Or is it tap?
Yeah. This is where you're gonna be brushing your teeth.
In the view.
Yeah.
Wow. Love
Pretty
the
cool,
way
right?
waterfalls.
I thought that was pretty neat. And so this is really great. So it has 2 bathrooms and 2 closets. So this is one of the closets. And we're gonna go here. And then this is another full bathroom. Amazing bath.
Wow.
Amazing shower. I mean, look at this guy. I'm not gonna turn it on because it's gonna make a mess. But, you know, I don't know. I take a bath every day, and so this would be a very good transition. You can take a bath and then a shower after. Beautiful sinks, and then a whole closet. Now, I've shown this house to a single guy, and he was like, "What are we gonna do with 2 bathrooms and 2 dressing rooms? You know, closets." And I was like, well, you can do like 1 room, like this could be, you know, because in LA we wear like athletic wear, you know, they call it like athleisure or something, like during the day when you're running errands. And then so I was like, yeah, well, you know, you can put all your like athleisure wear in here, your sneakers, and then that one's gonna be all your like super high-end clothes, like, you know, Brioni, Keaton, and you know, yeah, I know what you meant, like Tom Ford, yeah, that's what, you know, that's like really high-end menswear, and so that's how you could split it up. And so here you have it. All right, guys, thank you so much for going on our home tour today. So this home is listed for $18,750,000, and we are looking for a buyer. If you are interested in looking at this home or any other homes, you can contact me at caroline.choi at sotheby'shomes.com, and you can also go to my website, which is caroline.choi.com, and it'll show you all the listings and all the homes for sale, all the homes for lease in the Los Angeles area, and so you can browse through those. If you have any questions, please get in contact me, and I would love to help you. Remember, proof of funds are required to tour the home, so if you would like to, we just need you to email that to us. And Jason, you did an amazing job.
Thank you.
Let's give Jason a round of applause, and thank you so much for joining us on a tour today. Thank you.